Good morning, students. This is my fifth lecture on the running topic tangent normal. In previous class, we have discussed angle between two curves. Before doing question, we first recap important results of this chapter again. Here, y equal to fx is a function, p is any point on the curve having coordinates x1, y1. This pt is tangent at point p and pn is normal at the point p. Here p, x1, y1 is point of contact. We know value of derivative at point p dy by dx at p equal to slope of tangent at point p x1, y1. Similarly, slope of normal will be minus 1 upon dy by dx at p. Equation of tangent, equation of pt is a straight line passing through point x1, y1 and having slope m, this m, y minus y1 m dy by dx at p x minus x1. Slope of equation of normal pn y minus y1 minus 1 upon m minus 1 upon dy by dx at p into x minus x1. Angle between two curves. Here y equal to fx and y equal to gx be two given curves. Let these two curves intersect each other at point P. First of all, we solve the curve fx equal to gx and find the point of intersection P, coordinate of point of intersection x1, y1. We differentiate first curve fx and its value at point P will be slope of tangent pt1. We differentiate second curve gx dg by dx at point P, this is m2. So, angle between them tan theta m1 minus m2 1 upon m1 m2 taking mod for acute angle. For orthogonal intersection m1 into m2 equal to minus 1, that is theta equal to pi by 2. If m1 into m2 equal to minus 1, then these two curves fx and gx are said to be orthogonal curves. Condition to touch the two given curves fx and gx, condition will be m1 equal to m2, that is theta equal to 0. Now, we take a question, find the condition that the curve a1x square b1y square equal to 1, a2x square b2y square equal to 1 cut orthogonally. Here two curves are given. Actually, here coefficient is a1, b1, a2, b2. We have to find relation between these coefficient, four coefficients a1, a2, b1, b2, so that these two curves intersect at right angle. For this, we proceed as a1x square b1y square equal to 1, this is first curve, a2x square b2y square 1, second curve. These two curves intersect orthogonally, then what will be the relation between coefficients involved? That will be the required condition. Here condition will be m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. So first for m1 we differentiate it to a1x to b1y dy by dx equal to 0. This implies dy by dx equal minus a1 x by b1y minus a1 by b1 x upon y. Assuming it m1. Here we take general point Pxy. We also take general coordinate of point P(x1, y1) here. Similarly, for second curve, two a2x² 2b2y dy by dx equal to 0. This will give dy by dx at point of intersection P, point of intersection common point P, minus a2 by b2 x by y, this is m2. If we take here coordinate of PB x1 y1, then this will be x1 by y1, x2 by y2. We see later this x upon y, x and y will be eliminated. Due to orthogonal intersection of curves, m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. This implies a1, a2, b1, b2 into x square by y square minus 1. This will give a1, a2, b1, b2 minus y square upon x square. We have to find condition, that is relation between coefficient a1, a2, b1, b2. So our motto is here, how to eliminate this variable x and y. For this, taking equation 1 minus 2, we subtracting these two equation, a1 minus a2 x square plus b1 minus b2 y square equal to 0. This will give b1 minus b2 a1 minus a2 x square equal to minus of b1 minus b2 y square, dividing by x square both these sides and keeping b1 minus b2 in denominator in LHS, we have a1 minus a2 upon b1 minus b2 equal minus of y square by x square. Assuming this relation A, this relation B, from A and B, we see here minus y square by x square on RHS will be eliminated. a1 minus a2, b1 minus b2 equals a1 a2 upon b1 b2. a1 minus a2 upon a1 a2 equal b1 minus b2 upon b1 b2. This will give 1 by a2 minus 1 by a1 equal 1 by b2 minus 1 by b1. This implies shifting this is in RHS and 1 by b2 in LHS, we get 1 by a1 minus 1 by b1. 1 by a1 minus 1 by b1 equals 1 by a2 minus 1 by b2. This is the required condition. Here the question is, find the condition that the curve a1 x square b1 y square equal to 1, a2 x square b2 y square equal to 1 cut orthogonally. Here we take result 1 upon a1 minus 1 upon b1 equal to 1 upon A2 minus 1 upon B2. We take this result, this condition as a result for objective point of view. A1 x square plus B1 y square equal to 1, A2 x square plus B2 y square equal to 1. For orthogonal intersection, here condition is 1 upon A1 minus 1 upon B1 equal to 1 upon A2 minus 1 upon B2. The next one is condition for orthogonal intersection of curve x square upon a square plus lambda plus y square upon b square plus lambda equal to 1. X square upon a square plus mu plus y square upon b square plus mu equal to 1. We have to find condition for orthogonal intersection, that is the relation between a, b and lambda mu. Like previous question, in first relation, if b, assume coefficient of x square 1 upon a square plus lambda equal to a1 and coefficient of y square 1 upon b square plus lambda equal to b1, first relation reduces to a1 x square plus b1 y square equal to 1. Similarly, in second equation, be assuming coefficient of x square 1 upon a square plus mu equal to a2 and coefficient of y square 1 upon b square plus mu equal to b2. Second equation reduces to a2 x square b2 y square equal to 1. For these two relation, we use a result 1 upon a1 minus 1 upon b1 equal to 1 upon a2 minus 1 upon b2. Here a1, a2, b1, b2 coefficient of x square, y square. So 1 upon a1 condition for orthogonal intersection 1 upon a1 minus 1 upon b1 equal to 1 upon a2 minus 1 upon b2. This implies here a1 is 1 upon this, so 1 upon a1 means a square plus lambda minus 1 upon b1 means b square plus lambda. 1 upon a2 means a square plus mu minus 1 upon b2 b square plus mu. This will give a square minus b square equal to a square minus b square. This is an identity which is true always whatever be the value of lambda and mu. So the given these two curves are always orthogonal. Notice here this is an identity which is always true whatever be the lambda of mu, lambda and mu. If we take any value of lambda and mu, always these two curves will be orthogonal. We find dy by dx for this curve and dy by dx for this curve. At common point of intersection, any point P will be, we get product of these two will be -1. The next question is, find the condition for the following set of curves x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1 intersect orthogonally. Here we use a direct result from first question. Here, like previous question, we assume coefficient of x square y square 1 by a square a1, 1 by b square b1. In this case, 1 by capital A square a2 minus 1 upon b square, that is b2. For first relation reduces to a1 x square b1 y square equal to 1, and second relation a2 x square b2 y square equal to 1. Required condition for orthogonal intersection is 1 by a1 minus 1 by b1, 1 by a2 minus 1 by b2. Here 1 by a1 a square, 1 by b1 b square, 1 by a2 capital A square, 1 by b2 capital B square. This is the required condition. Next question is, prove that the curve x equal to y square and xy equal to k cut at right angle if at k square equal to 1. Here x equal to y square and xy equal to k. These are two given curves. For the point of intersection, from second equation, x equal xy equal to k, so x equal k upon y. Using in first, k upon y equal to y square, this implies y cube equal to k, so y equal to cube root of k. Therefore, from first relation, x equal to y square, that is k to the power 2 by 3. So, point of intersection P, k to the power 2 by 3 and k to the power 1 by 3. Now, differentiating equation of curves for slopes of tangent at point of intersection. X equal to y square. Here 1 equal 2y dy by dx. So, dy by dx equal to 1 upon 2y dy by dx at p, 1 upon 2. Here y coordinate of point P, since point P, here curve is y square equal to x, that is this, and second curve is xy equal to k, y equal to k upon x, that is rectangular hyperbola, may be for Cauchy value of k, this and this. So, point of intersection of point P k to the power 2 by 3 and k to the power 1 by 3. Here point P lies on two curves. So dy by dx at P 1 upon 2 y, that is value of y, k to the power 1 by 3. This is M1. Again, the second curve is xy equal to k, y equal to k upon x. Here dy by dx equal to dc of 1 by x minus 1 by x square. So minus k upon x square. dy by dx at P minus k upon x square. Here x coordinate of point P 2 by 3. So k to the power 4 by 3, that is minus 1 upon k to the power minus k to the power 1 by 3. 4 by 3 minus k to the power 1 by 3. This is M2. Taking M1 into M2 equal to minus 1. 1 upon 2 k 1 by 3 minus 1 upon k to the power 1 by 3. This is minus 1. So 2 k to the power 2 by 3 equal to 1. Cubing both the sides. Here 2 cube 8 and this will become k square equal to 1, that is 8k square equal to 1 or k square equal to 1 by 8. This will be the required condition for orthogonal intersection of these two curves, x equal to y square and xy equal to k, rectangular hyperbola xy equal to k. And the fifth one is, out of the four curves given below, choose the curve which intersect parabola y square equal to 4ax orthogonally. Here objective question, y square equal to 4ax is a given curve. We have to choose out of these four with which curve this parabola intersect orthogonally. We take first y square equal to 4ax and x square plus y square equal to a square. For this curve 2i dy by dx equal to 4a, this implies dy by dx 2a upon y. If point of intersection be hk, so dy by dx at point P hk equal to 2a upon k, say it M1. For this curve 2x plus 2i dy by dx equal to 0. This will give dy by dx equal to minus x upon y. So dy by dx at P hk equal to minus h by k, say it M2. For orthogonal intersection M1 and M2, product of these two must be minus 1. So 2a by k into minus h upon k minus 2a h upon k square. Here hk, y square equal to 4x and x square plus y square equal to a square. This is a circle. Point of intersection this and this, assuming it P hk. Since point P hk lies on both the curves, so here we use k square equal to 4ah. So minus 2ah upon 4ah, cancelling, this is minus 1 by 2, not equal to minus 1. So no orthogonal intersection. First option is rejected. Second, y square equal to 4ax. Here dy by dx at hk equal 2a by k, say it m1, and second curve equal to y equal to e to the power minus x by 2a. In this case, dy by dx equal to e to the power minus x by 2a into minus 1 by 2a. dy by dx at p hk e to the power minus k by 2a into minus 1 by 2a. Here m1 into m2, 2a by k into minus 1 by 2a e to the power minus k by 2a. Here hk lies on these two curves. So k equal to e to the power minus h by 2a. So 2a upon k into minus 1 by 2a into k, cancelling 2a, 2a, k, this is equal to minus 1. This implies orthogonal intersection of curves. So our answer is second option B. We see here, this is y square equal to 4ax. Clearly a is positive, portion will be right of y axis, and y equal to e to the power minus x by 2a. Here e to the power minus x by 2a, this is the point of intersection. So here answer will be second option. Similarly, we can reject third option and so on. Next question is, find angle of intersection of curve y equal to a to the power x, y equal to b to the power x. Here given curve is y equal to a to the power x and y equal to b to the power x. Here y equal to a to the power x, we know exponential function y equal to lambda to the power x. We have two possibility, lambda greater than 1. In such case, graph of exponential function will be this, crosses at 0, 1. When lambda lying between 0 to 1, in such case the graph will be this, again crosses at 0, 1. Here y equal to a to the power x, y equal to b to the power x. We have possibility a greater than 1, b greater than 1. In both these cases, point of intersection 0, 1. If a greater than 1, b less than 1, again point of intersection 0, 1. So we can directly find point of intersection of these two curves and find slope at point of intersection, or analytically solving a to the power x equal to b to the power x. In exponential function we know a and b are positive. Here clearly only values of x will be 0, for which a to the power 0, 1, b to the power 0, 1. We can directly do it like as x equal to 0. When x equal to 0, y equal to 1. So point of intersection P 0, 1. Differentiating curves. Differentiating first curve dy by dx, we know a to the power x log a, obviously base e, and for this curve dy by dx b to the power x log b. In such case dy by dx at p 0, 1 equal to log a, and in this case dy by dx p 0, 1 for second curve log b. say it m1, m2. If angle between them is theta, tan theta, m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2 log a minus log b divided by 1 plus log a into log b mod. Here log a minus log b means log a upon b divided by 1 plus log a log b. This is our required answer. The next question, find the angle at which the curve y equal to AEAX intersect at y axis. Here given curve YAEAX intersect at y axis. At y axis x equal to 0. So for x equal to 0, y equal to a, this curve intersect x axis at 0a. Clearly, rough sketch of graph may be intersect 0a. Obviously, tangent at this point PT makes angle theta with x axis. So tan theta slope of PT. We have to find angle at which the curve intersect at y axis. Here curve is y equal to AEAX. One curve is this and second curve is y axis. At point of intersection, tangent is this PT and tangent is this y axis itself. We have to find this angle. Clearly, dy by dx AEAX into a, that is a square EAX. So slope of PT, so dy by dx at P0a, this is a square e to the power 0 1, and this will be equal to slope of tangent PT, that is tan theta. So tan theta equal to a square, theta equal to tan inverse a square. This angle theta, so this angle is pi by 2 minus theta. Required angle will be pi by 2 minus theta, pi by 2 minus tan inverse a square. We use the result tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equal to pi by 2. So pi by 2 minus cot inverse tan inverse x equal to cot inverse x. This will be cot inverse a square. So our answer is cot inverse in terms of a cot inverse a square. That's it.